afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. This is my intro for my over 40s, over 50s, mature lady with hooded eye, smoky eye tutorial. This is the look I've come up with. It's using a combination of a brown pencil and some browny orangey shades. So without further ado, here comes the tutorial. Enjoy, lads. First and foremost, we're just going to get on with this as quick as possible so that you guys can just watch it and move. You know, it's easy peasy pie. I am using for this hot chocolate pencil by Essence. Okay, it's brilliant. This does the job. It's in hot chocolate. I didn't bother going with black. I'm not a lover of black on the older eye. I think it can age you. The palette I'm using is Rose in the Air by Wet n Wild. I'll be using some of the colours from this. And the brushes I'm using, this is OG YouTube here, guys. Essence of Beauty, the 2-brush set. Do you guys remember that? I remember Emily Noel used to use this years ago. Comes in a package, right? Those 2 brushes. Then we have a blending brush, which is from number 7. It's their dupe of the MAC 217, and we have a MAC 219. So we've got 4 beautiful brushes, and we're going to use that to blend what we need to blend here now. I am going to need to use a mirror for this, guys. I hope you can see my lighting is, as I say, I don't have professional lighting. So what you're going to start off with here is you're going to actually use the pencil and you're going to just brush it on top of your lid. Like so. And you're going to do the other eye. Don't bring it up too far, guys. Just a little. Now you can see what I'm doing there now, lads. See there? Okay. And try and make sure you get a sort of semicircle shape. I will be honest, guys, I'm a bit blind. My new glasses are on order. They're not expected until the 15th, so between now and then, I will be ever so slightly blind doing my makeup. 219. And you're going to blend this up all over your lid. You're literally just going to blend, 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 blend. You're smoking it out all the way, guys. Bringing it up as far as you need to. This is a smoky eye for the over 40, over 50 if you like, hooded eye. Okay, so you blend that side, and then you go in, and you do the same on the other side. And try and make sure when you're blending them up, that they're at about the same level. Now you won't really get the benefit of this for a little while, guys, so please stay with me here as I work this through the various sections of my eye, blending it up. What you're trying to do is you're trying to put your brush into your crease at the edge of where that eyeliner is and smudge it out and smudge it up. So that's what you have so far. Then you have to be crafty. You take an eyeshadow, whatever colour you fancy in the palette. I'm a big fan of the orange, so I'm going to take the darkest orange that's in here. The darkest sort of, it's a browny orange. It is quite dark, but I'm not sure what way it will show up on this. So you take some of that on the brush, tap off your excess. I've no makeup on because of the fact that I am doing a smoky eye. Okay, and you're putting this over your brown eyeliner, and you're slowly bringing it up towards your crease. And you just stop as you're coming to your crease, like so. Now when my eyes are open, you won't really see this. Maybe a tiny bit, but not a whole lot. I'm showing you slow motion, so you can copy this, you ladies. Again, more on the eyeshadow on the brush, tap off your excess. You're bringing it into your eye, and you're going over where you put that dark brown eyeliner. Now you can do this technique with any colour eyeshadow. You can do it with purples, greens. It's not so much the colours that I'm using. It's showing you the technique that I use to achieve this look. Okay, so you can see that slowly starting to build up. Go into it again, back to the other eye. So you build this up slowly. And if you go slowly, easy with it, the result you'll get is absolutely stunning. Okay, my friends. I may not need to use that Essence of Beauty duo. So if you look at this, you can see a gradient where it's very dark at the bottom and then it's gradually coming up a little bit lighter. So I'm looking at that to see. Now, I'm not happy that you can see enough of my of the eyeshadow when my eyes are open. But at the same time, this colour is quite dark. So I do not want to bring a colour this dark up higher, or it would close off my eye. So what I do then is I take another brush. Mr. 219 goes down. I'll take the bigger of the Essence of Beauty brushes and I'll go into a slightly less, like I'll use that orange, then I'll go into this orange. I'll tap into this orange here and I'll tap into this colour here. Tap off that excess and go back into the eye, and then you are going up again a little tiny bit here. Now, this looks a little bit heavy-handed, but you can actually see it. Okay, so again, you're tapping into the two colours and you're going to the other eye and you're doing the very same thing. You're going slightly up on this eye. You do want this to be noticeable when people look at you. And just make sure that you have covered enough of it. See that? Now, if you want, I can turn this into slightly sort of more daytime if I want. Or I can really punch it. I can give it a punch. Punch of colour, right? Now, if you're happy with that, which I am, I take a little blending brush and I'm just going to blend the edge there. I'm not going anywhere down, just a bare edge at the top, up towards it. Now, you'll have to excuse the state of my eyebrows, guys. That's the next video. Now, can you see the way that's blended? And you do the same on this side. And you're blending it up. And it is pretty. I like it. And then you take a slightly shimmery lighter shade. Now I am going for the second one in here. I'm not going for the brightest one. I'm just going for the second one. And I'm placing it on the outer part of tiniest little bit of a highlight. And as you can see, this can be, you can make this, the colours I've used, you can make them brighter, you can make them more subtle, you can make them, you can really go to town. You can use any colour you like for this technique and it works. And then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to take the eyeliner and we're going to do the bottom. We're going to join the corner here and we're going to slowly line 3/4 of the way across, not all the way. Do your inner rim. Now, as far as we've gotten so far, is we have lined the outer corner, but not all the way in. I know some people do it all the way here and all the way here, but I find that closes off my eye. I don't like it. This looks considerable amount more in your face when you look at it in person. I have a ring light behind me, which I'll change to soft lighting, so it'll give you a better idea. Hold on there. Oh my goodness. Now, Now you can see it in natural. You can see it, guys. Now, but I need it fairly bright. Okay, so we're taking the 219 again. And we're taking the darkest colour in this, brown eyes, which is this fella here. And I am going to have to pick up a mirror, guys, because I cannot see a damn thing. Can't see for shit. And you slowly bring that eyeshadow over where you put your liner on the outer corners, all the way in. But you're just going to have to add this a little bit at a time. I'm adding the dark brown first before I put the orangey shades in, because if you put the orangey shades in straight away, I find my eyes look like I've been crying or like I've got red eye. But by putting the dark brown first, I apologise if I'm going out of shot here. Making terrible faces here as I'm doing this. Okay. You can see that. Now you go into your bright orange. Okay. You're going back into your bright orange. Take an ass load of it, or whatever you need. Okay, and you're going over where you put that dark brown and slightly, bring it slightly under. Because you really want this to be smoked out. But on the older eye, you can't do it in your face. It has to be very subtle. Or my version of subtle, which isn't very subtle. Now what I'll do here is I will add a little tiny bit more eyeshadow, right? Just to give you, to make it a bit more in your face. Because I have to say that the light in here is killing the colour a little. I just want you to actually see the effect. Okay? My ring light is working, so therefore it's slightly killing this colour so it doesn't look as vibrant as it would normally. Right, we take our 217, fake 217, number 7 brush, and we're going to blend the edges of this. Try and make sure we have a clean blend, not in your face. And then to finish off the look, guys, you take a little bit of your, I'm using the CoverGirl Supersizer, and you just do a little coat of mascara. Now when you put all your makeup on, you'll see this come together. And your lips and foundation and blush and bronzer and the whole shit. Put the whole shit show on. Right, lads. That is your brown and coppery smoky eye for hooded eyes. As you can see, it doesn't close my eyes off. It gives it nice dimension. Whoops. And it doesn't close them off. Doesn't age me, I don't think. I think it looks good. It's not in your face. And you can use any colour you like with this. I've done it with purples, I've done it with greens, I've done it with blues, I've done it with greys, and I've done it with just black and white. So, there you go. I'll come up close for you to have a closer look. Okay, when I come back, I will have my full face done. Super glamorous bitch mode. So, I will be back with the whole face. Hold on to your hats. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, my friends. How to on this particular look. Now, as you can see, I've gone for orange and brown, and that's because my eyes are kind of, to be honest with you, in this mirror, in this camera, they look kind of a greeny shade, but my eyes are grey, and there must be green in them. Tip for you, if you have brown eyes, purple will be fucking smashing, old chaps. Purple. The bomb.fucking.com. Me, I go for this kind of colour, the kind of orangey brown shades. I like It's what suits my eyes, what I feel confident and happy in. I have put on the rest of my makeup. I may have put on a little bit too much blush, but you know what? Who gives a fuck? This is the look. I hope you've enjoyed the tutorial. Give it a try. If you do, go over to my Instagram. It's linked in my bio on my channel, and send me a picture of it. I'd love to see it. Comment below if you've any requests for videos or any, just say hello. Give me a thumbs up. Say hello, guys. Anyway, welcome to my new subscribers, of which I have a few. I'm delighted to see you. You're very welcome to my channel, and I hope you're enjoying the content and that you will stay. And to anybody out there who isn't subscribed but is watching, please consider joining the family here. I'm as mad as a box of frogs, so I'm told. Well, 2 boxes of frogs, let's be fair. Anyway, lads, I have to go because I have to go to Mullingar now, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.